In this video, we're going to go over 10 rare coins that you could possibly have in your spare change. Not many people know what to look out for when they come across an old coin, and most people think that they don't have a rare coin when in reality, they have something that could be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. Let's jump into this video. Up first, we have this 1972D 1 cent Lincoln cent coin. Now, when you first look at this coin, you can notice it looks a bit more yellow than typical. This one was graded by NGC, a mint state 65. Remember, the highest grade we can get grading is 70. Now this one weighs 2.5 grams, and that's really important because this coin was struck on a Philippines 5 centimo planchet. What that means is during the minting process, somehow a Philippines blank metal planchet went through the same hub and struck on this planchet, and this is considered a mint error, and the coin sold for $1,500. So if you have a 1972 coin that looks like this, make sure you weigh it, and if it weighs 2.5 grams, you could have something incredibly rare and valuable. Not going to spend too much time on this coin, but if you have a penny that looks just like this, you could turn one penny into $69 just like this person did. Essentially, this coin was struck 55% off center during the minting process, and collectors love collecting errors just like this. Here's a 1977 S 5 cent Jefferson nickel struck on a 10 cent planchet. That's why it looks smaller than typical. A lot of people, when they come across a coin like this, they could think they just have a coin that was damaged, and a lot of the time that is the case, but this coin weighs 2.3 grams, and it was graded by NGC a proof 67, and it sold for $1,051. So if you come across a Jefferson nickel and it looks really small and it weighs around 2.3 grams, you could have a coin that was struck on a wrong planchet. Up next, we have a 1946 S 5 cent Jefferson nickel graded by PCGS a mint state 67 with the full steps on the back. Let's break this down really quick. So if you first look at the coin, you can tell it has a lot of different colors and toning to it. Those colors are considered toning, and it's a natural occurring process, and collectors will pay more money for coins that look like this. This one also graded incredibly high by PCGS, which allowed it to sell for $5,040, but also this has the full steps on the back. So if you look above Monticello there on the back center of the coin, you will see those full steps there. That's the highest point on the coin and one of the hardest points to get fully struck, and it gets worn down the quickest. So if you have a high graded coin that also has those full steps on the back, you could have a coin that's worth a lot of money. Here we have a 1942 25 cent Washington quarter graded by PCGS a proof 68 with a CAC sticker. So the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. This is only 2 points away from that grade, and this is also a proof coin. Proof coins are typically minted at the San Francisco Mint, but this one was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. You can tell because it has no mint mark. To tell if you have a proof coin, you're going to have to look at the coin and see if it has a shiny reflective appearance to it, and if it does, there's a probability that you do have a proof coin. This also has the CAC sticker. Now, the CAC sticker is another third-party company that after your coin is graded, you will send your coin to them in the holder, and if they think it looks good enough, if they agree with the grade and they think it looks really nice for the grade, they're going to add their CAC sticker, and that CAC sticker alone will dramatically increase the value of the coin. This coin sold for $10,575. Here we have a 1950 S 10 cent Roosevelt dime. Now, this one sold for $4,025. This one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with the full bands on the back. Now, what do I mean by full bands on the back? If you flip the coin over, you will see a total of 4 horizontal bands right at the center torch of the coin. That is a high point on the coin, and it's hard to get those full bands on the back of the coin, and collectors really enjoy collecting this sort of feature for this coin. Also on the front of the coin, you can see some toning happening. All these things combined allowed this coin to sell for $4,025. One of my favorite type of coins here, not going to spend too much time, but this is the 1955 double die obverse coin. You can see the motto at the top, Liberty left, and the date at the right there. There is some pretty significant doubling happening. If your coin has doubling like this, you're going to want to get it graded because it will increase the value of the coin. This coin sold for $6,000. This quarter sold for $21,737. Really quickly, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button as it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. But this coin, the reason why it sold for so much money is because it's a 1932 Washington quarter in a really high grade. This one graded by PCGS a mint state 65 plus with the CAC sticker. Now, the plus designation is given to coins that are really nice for the grade, and maybe they're getting close to the next grade up at a 66. This one also has a CAC sticker. Now, the CAC sticker is another third-party company that after your coin is graded, you send it to them. They put the CAC sticker on if the coin looks nice, and it will increase the value of the coin, and that's why this one sold for $21,737. What a beautiful coin. So this type of coin, you're probably only going to find it in a collection. This is a proof coin. We're all familiar with this New Jersey silver quarter, but the proof coins are harder to come by. The main reason why this coin sold for $1,265 is because it's a proof coin. And also it graded at the perfect grade of 70. That is such a hard feature to capture, getting that perfect 70 grade. But again, if you send your coin off to get graded and it grades really highly, especially the perfect grade, you are in for a treat. Now again, let me tell you, to get the 70 grade is so challenging, but it is possible. Just like this person who achieved the 70 grade and they're able to sell their coin, their one little 25-cent quarter, for $1,265. Here's a 1922 1-cent wheat penny with no D. This has the grade of a 64 by PCGS. Now this coin is typically going to have a D mint mark around the date there. This one does not have a D mint mark. That means it's a mint error, and this one little penny sold for $43,200. Hit the subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.